Welcome to today's video where creativity meets calmness. Xmas is not only a season of flowers and gifts, it's also time to peace, reflections, and handmade joy. In this video, we will explore beautiful Xmas craft today's, their mindful benefits, and how small handmade decoration can fill your home and your heart with warmth and meaning. Take a deep breath, grab your materials, and let's begin this mindful Xmas journey together. Xmas craft are more than decorations, they are a story told by hands. When you create a Xmas wreath, a jute wall hanging, or a pine cone centerpiece, you are not just decorating your home, you are expressing love, gratitude, and creativity. From simple ornaments made of recycled materials to elegant handmade table pieces, every craft carries a touch of your personality. The joy of crafting lies in transformation, turning something ordinary into something magical. Let's explore some heartwarming craft ideas you can try this Xmas. We can give you ideas like a jute rope wreath, fabric wall hanging, pinecone centerpiece, miniature Xmas tree, snow jar decoration. Make centerpiece with the pine cones, old things, recycle old things, with add some pine cones, add some ribbons, add some cherries, artificial flowers, artificial grass. You can make your centerpiece just amazing. You can make a snow jar. Take an old jar, fill in with cotton or fake snow, and add a tiny X-Mix figure. Miniature X-Mix tree. Now we talk about miniature X-Mix tree. Use sticks, twine, and buttons to create a small, eco-friendly tree. Now let's talk about pine cone centerpiece. Paint pine cone white or gold. Arrange them in a bowl with candles, perfect for dining tables. Now let's talk about fabric wall hanging. Old clothes or fabric scraps can become artistic wall decor with the stars, bells, and Xmas trees. Now let's talk about jute rope wreath. Use leftover jute rope, small pine cones, and red ribbons. Add fairy lights for a cozy touch. Each of these crafts not only beautifies your home but also touches patience and mindfulness. When we sit down to craft, our minds slow down. The gentle rhythm of cutting, gluing, painting, and decorating becomes a form of meditation. Your focus shifts from stress to creativity. You forget the clock, the worries, and simply flow. Every brush stroke, every note, every sparkle helps you reconnect with yourself. That's why crafting during Xmas isn't just an activity, it's self care. You create while also calming your mind. And the best part, you can do it with your family, your cares, parents, or friends. It becomes a shared mindful moment full of laughter, storytelling, and connection. The benefits of handmade decoration. These something special about handmade crafts. They are sustainable, meaningful, and filled with emotion. Let's look at their benefits. Eco-friendly. You can reuse and recycle materials like jute, fabric, paper, and wood. Budget-friendly handmade decor saves money while adding personal charm. Mental wellness. Crafting reduces anxiety and boosts concentration. Emotional warmth. Giving or receiving a handmade gift carries deeper meaning. Family bonding, craft projects bring everyone together for creative fun. So, this year, instead of rushing to stores, make your Xmas decoration with your own hands, slowly, lovingly, and mindfully. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Imagine your home glowing with handmade ornaments. The gentle scent of pine and soft golden lights is not about perfection, it's about the feeling of warmth, calmness, and gratitude. You can add natural touches, dried leaves, cinnamon sticks, or oranges. Use warm color like red, green, brown, and gold. Even the smallest handmade star can remind you that light exists even in quiet corners. Your craft space can become a peaceful corner too. Play soft carols, light a candle, and craft with mindfulness. Xmas is also about giving not just gifts, but time, care, and creativity. When you share your handmade wreath, ornaments, or greeting card with someone, you share a piece of your heart. A handmade gift says, I thought of you. It carries your effort, your story, your kindness. Even small gifts, when made with love, can touch someone deeply. Take a moment this Xmas to express gratitude for your loved ones, for your creativity, and for the simple beauty of life.